So what happens with the offer, with the advertising, is the goal is to put a huge emphasis on minimizing to eliminating the obstacles. Specifically, what we're talking about now is time and money, but specifically what we're talking about right now is highly prioritized toward money. So we're not doing anything to affect need, okay? So all we're trying to do is just lower the barrier of the obstacles to where if there's enough perceived need and the obstacles are, if we can drop them down lower than the perceived need, that creates an action step, okay? So that's how that works. So having said that, these are the 9 components of an offer. Number 1 is you would state the offer. Number 2, you'd state the primary benefit of the offer. List what the offer includes and how it solves the primary problem. Now, when I say primary problem, it's very important to understand what is a primary problem and of a target market. So you have to know what the primary problem is, because if you're not on the primary problem, you're significantly decreasing your potential effectiveness. So it's got to be something that has high potential value. So what is that primary problem? The normal cost is itemized typically. Then we put your cost, and then why you offer a lower cost, and then we put a bonus in. The bonus, how it helps, and the bonus should also be focused on solving the primary problem. And then we restate the offer, and then there's a call to action telling them exactly what to do next. So these are the categories of an offer. So having said that, I'll go through a few examples here.